Hello viewers and welcome in a brand new video. Today we have something different, we have something special, we have something I wanted to try out because special cars seem to not get a lot of views. So let's try something else. Let's do a review on my mate's student car. This is a Golf 4, a beautiful spec Golf 4, and he bought this car for 1,500 euros. So that's around the same as dollars. So the question is, what do you get for 1,500 euros or around the same as dollars? Well, you get a full car, and this car is capable of carrying 5 persons. So actually, as a student, this is a crazy deal. But the big question is, does it drive good? Is the engine still okay? Is the gearbox all right? How are the brakes and everything? So you should be careful in buying these things normally, but sometimes you can get a very great deal. For example, if we look at the front wheels, we can see these brakes are actually still pretty fine. We also first did a drive test before buying this car, and also the rims, they're a bit worn, but they seem to be all right. And also they're aftermarket rims. This is not Volkswagen originally, of course. And we even have a panoramic sunroof that is opened electrically. So I don't know, let's check more. So let's pop the hood on the machine. There we go. So let's check underneath the hood, and then we have a 1.4 liter 16 valve petrol engine, a 4 inline engine. First thing you need to do is check out how does everything look, and it's not that clean, but for this amount of money it seems to be all right. But the big question is everything running fine? This car should have 75 horsepower, and as you can see, runs very smoothly. So there you can hear the revs. So that sounds pretty awesome, pretty neat actually. So we will do a drive test in a couple of minutes and see how this thing drives and performs, and what driving experience that you can get for 1,500 euros. So moving over to the back, we can check out the side. So sometimes we have little scratches and dents like these. So as the sun lights up these scratches, it's all very okay and very not that bad. So checking out the back, we can see that everything is pretty okay and pretty neat and just okay to drive as a student, drive around, low budget. And I think, yeah, this thing looks also very fine, but for 10 euros or something you can change this. So perfect. So let's check out the interior of this one. So I have a special name for this interior, and I think we should call this Abu Dhabi style. As you can see, what a special print on these seats, and then we have these yellow floor mats, obviously matching the outside color, and then we have these door accents, we also have the same matching color. So let's take a look at how this machine drives and how good and how well the gearbox is, the handbrake, and if everything works. That's my question for this video. Righty viewers, so we're in the Golf, and as you can see, I have this new camera setup right here, so we can film nice POV videos. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of POV video, and let's drive and see what do we get. Very important, this seatbelt needs to go on, and seatbelt works and is looking fine, so that's also important. Now this maybe in the questions or in the comments you will ask this, but this radio is aftermarket, so this is not included in the price. But we have working cup holders, almost working cup holders. All right, let's get to driving, and the handbrake seems to work. Let me check. Yeah, it works perfectly actually. So the engine is hot. Let's drive. Let's do also a brake check. Very good, you have no vibrations or everything. So let's do a pull from second gear. Let's give it some beans. Perfect. This is very nice. Gearbox is working very fine. Let's not go too fast here so we don't get any trouble, but this car seems to work very nice. Let's go into fifth. Perfect. Shifts very good. Back to third. Everything seems very good here. Let's go straight to second. Perfect. Obviously need to take the indicators, but driving is very, very convenient, and it's almost funny to drive here. So for 1,500 euros, viewers, this is insane. This is a very great car for this amount of money. It's actually amazing what kind of deal you can do in 2025, but you need to be careful. Obviously, you need to first, very important, first do a test drive if you want to buy something like this. But I mean, my friend did a very great job in finding this car. Let's go back to second here. Oh, there we go. Need to get used to the pedals sometimes, but very convenient driving. So let's also test out the horn. That's an important one, especially here in the Netherlands. Horn works perfectly. So viewers, that's all I have for this video. That's all I need to say about this beautiful special Golf. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Cheers. Oh viewers, it's freezing cold outside, but check it out. Here we have the merch, the Robert G merch. I was editing just in the RV there, but check it out. This is the merch. I removed my jacket. It's very cold outside, but you can buy it. So it's a nice fit, as you can see right here. Nice gray color. The quality is very nice, very good.